Today we are going to discuss Fourier series half range sine series problems. Let us consider the f of x is equal to x into pi minus x. For this function we have to find out half range sine series. Okay, so half range sine series means only you have to find out the bn value and substitute in the Fourier expansion. So bn is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x sin n x dx is the formula. For what is f of x? X into pi minus x. So this you can write it as 2 integral 0 to pi x sin n x dx. X pi by pi. Pi will get cancelled, you left with x. Therefore x sin n x dx. Next one is 2 by pi as usual. 2 by pi x into x square sin n x dx. Now integrate this one. 2 into x differentiation 1 sin n x integration is minus cos n x by n minus as usual cos n x integration sin n x by n into n square between the limit 0 to pi. Similarly 2 by pi integral of x square sin n x dx. 2 by pi x square differentiation 2x differentiation is 2. So sin n x integration is minus cos n x by n minus as usual cos n x integration is sin n x n into n square. Next sin n x integration is minus cos n x, minus into minus plus, therefore cos n x by n cube between the limit 0 to pi. Now we substitute the upper limit here, minus pi cos n pi by n. If you substitute the upper limit in sin n pi 0. Next one, if you substitute the lower limit 0 into something 0, this 0 and sin 0 0. Therefore next you come across with the next, substitute the upper limit pi, minus pi square cos n pi by n. If you substitute here sin n pi 0, second term. If you substitute here 2 cos n pi by n cube. If you substitute 0 here, 0 into something, here also 0, therefore two terms are zeros. Next minus 2 cos 0 1, therefore 2 by n cube, minus 2 by n cube you left with. So you are substituting the lower limit, therefore you are going to get minus here, minus 2 by n cube. This is nothing but minus 2 pi cos n pi is minus 1 power n by n. Here minus into minus plus, pi square by pi is pi, 2 pi minus 1 power n by n. Similarly here it is 2 into 2, 4, minus 4 by pi n cube into minus 1 power n, minus into minus plus 4 by pi n cube. These two will get cancelled, you left with these two. 4 by n cube is common, minus 1 power n, 1 minus 1 power n you left with. If n is even, bn value will be 0. If n is even, let us consider it is 2. Minus 1 whole square is 1. 1 minus 1 0. If n is even, bn is equal to 0. If n is odd, let us consider 3. So minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 2. 2 into 4 8. 8 by pi n cube. So while doing the Fourier expansion, deduce you have to do this one. F of x is equal to sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n x, Fourier expansion. Only for odd numbers Fourier series expansion exists. Therefore sigma n is equal to 1 3 5 so on up to infinity bn sin n x. So bn value is 8 by pi n cube for odd numbers into sin n x. In place of f of x I have written x into pi minus x, given function. Now we substitute 1, 8 by 1 cube pi 1 pi into 1 cube sin x 8 by pi into 3 cube into sin 3x and so on. X into pi minus x is 8 by pi is everywhere in each term. You take common sin x by 1 cube plus so on. We have to show that 1 by 1 cube minus 1 by 3 cube plus 1. That means in place of x you substitute pi by 2. Then what happens? Pi by 2 into pi minus pi by 2 is equal to 8 by pi sin pi by 2 1. 1 by 1 cube sin 3 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 cube plus 1 by 5 cube so on. This 8 by pi move to the left hand side will become pi by 8. So therefore pi by 32 is pi square by 32 is equal to 1 by 1 cube minus 1 by 3 cube plus 1 by 5 cube minus 1 by 7 cube left with. Thank you.